Hi, my name is David. My name is Pietro. And welcome to Hi, my name is Jacob. My name is Ayan. And my name is Kulang. And we are Jackass.
Wait, are you new?
Yes.
Before you enter the heaven, you must learn how to use darts and board games. Wait. David! Hey! What? With my assistant, we will teach you how. Come. First, I will teach you how to use dart. The average weight of the dart is 12 grams to 50 grams.
12 grams to 50.
The height of the dartboard is 5 feet and 8 inches.
5 feet and 8 inches.
We will show you a demonstration. Wait. Okay, this is how you will do it. You will grip it like this, and then you will throw it. Focus on the cherry, like this. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's try it again.
No way!
Pedro, you will pay for this.
Okay, let's try it again. This time, I will hit the cherry. Nah, we'll hold it like this. Yay! I hit the cherry. And that's how you play darts. Come on, and I will teach you how to play board games. Come.
Wouldn't it be nice if the world was cat-free? You could surf inside a chocolate tube, ride your boat across the wave forever, get wiped out and never get a bruise. And if a shark came up and tried to bite you, you could say, I'm chocolate, I invite you. Wouldn't it be nice?
And now, I will teach you how to play chess, but before that, I will tell you the story of it. The earliest surviving records dealing with this game of chess are found in India. They date back to about 500 AD. They were written in Sanskrit. At that time, chess was clearly a military game. The knight was a horseman, the pawn a foot soldier. That is what they are today. But as opposed to this, the bishop and the rook were different. The bishop was an elephant and the rook a chariot. David, get me the chessboard. Nice throw. Come,
Yeah.
assistant, and I will show you how to play this. Come here. First, I will move this. Checkmate. Wait,
Oh.
I didn't understand. Huh? Okay, I will repeat it na lang.